Hi boys and girls, it's Bored with Miss Reynolds, better off reading every day. I have a good one for you today, and it is called Bear Snores On, and it is by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, crawls in the cave from the fluff, cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. The coals pip-pop, and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm! Twisters, wren!" And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party. in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear roars, he snarls. Bear roars, he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping, and I had none. He whimpers, he moans, he wails, he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Such a cute story. Boys and girls, it's Bored with Miss Reynolds, better off reading every day. I don't own the rights to this book that I have read to you, but I love storytelling magic. And I love, love, love the way this story went along, the way it was towards the end, and the way that it ended. So all of it, for me, was very sweet, very interesting, and definitely a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed the story. As you can see, it's about snoring, so that means that maybe Miss Reynolds is going to go and try to get her snore on, her sleep on, her rest on. What do you think? Shall I give it a try? It is called snoring. You know what, boys and girls? I don't know if I snore when I sleep because I'm sleeping, so therefore I don't know what's going on. And I don't really want to know what goes on when I sleep because sleeping feels so good. One of my favorite things in the world is to put my kids to bed at night. Whenever I do childcare, I love bedtime. Why? Because yes, some of my kids do snore on, and some just fall peacefully to sleep, and some have great big conversations with me right before they fall asleep. But all in all, any chance that it's gotten to sleep is a good chance because your brain is repairing itself every time you sleep. So it is mega, mega important. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.